In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful and respectful, a very good morning to the students of Al-Khalim Private High School and parents, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a great honor for me to give a brief speech on the importance of education. Education is an opportunity for each individual. However, the major problem is the different standards of education in our country, Afghanistan. Education can play an important role in providing us with our learning. Many people think that education can only be taught in lessons and class, but education can be taught anywhere and be obtained anywhere, in any lessons and any class. It doesn't mean that education is only in lessons, but education can be anywhere. The impact of our behavior in education can improve a lot. Many people think we can be smart with education, but that is the correct way. We are smart with education, and total we are good. Education can help us a lot. We can be a doctor, a businessman, engineer, and everything. With education, everyone's smart. With education, everyone's smart and helping us everywhere. Everyone thinks education is the key to success. Everyone thinks education is the key to success, and that's the right way. Education is the key to success. With education, every single door is open for you. With education, every single door is open for you. And without education, no doors open for you. And without education, no doors are open for you. So study with business and everything. Education is the key to success. Education is the key to success, and it can help us to tap into talent. Sharpen your skills of education, but education is the key to success. So succeed in education. Thank you for you leading me your attention.